Hello everybody, so I'm actually going to use the Radial Arm Saw. It's been a while, I got the table made, it's been sitting here, but one thing I have to do is I need to set the height of the table so the blade, right now if I cut, the blade's not going to cut all the way through the board, and this isn't exactly flat to that plane, whatever, I don't know what you call it. But in here there's a height. This whole thing goes up and down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my saw on high, drop this whole carriage down till it just kisses the top of this board, and then I can run out and cut one tiny little line in it and know that it's going to cut any board I put in here all the way through. So yeah, we're going to do that, and then we'll actually cut something with this. Anyway, here we go. I'll dump the sound down. Don't worry about that, but you obviously won't be able to hear me while I'm doing this. Oh, I love listening to that thing. Okay, so I set my table height. I know that's all good. I just put a board up here for a square edge. I checked it square. I've done all that. I marked my boards for what length I want my newest sign. And we're gonna cut them. We'll see. I don't know. No guarantees. Oh, by the way, saw courtesy of Sid. Thanks, Sid. I have my boards here, and I'm gonna cut them later. They're a little bit off, but I can glue them. I always glue them and then cut them later. Just trim it off, make it square. So it's trying to do it all in the beginning, and it slides and it slips. It's a pain in the butt. Anyway, so that's that. We're going to get to gluing. I'll be back for that. And then some more sign making. Thanks for coming by, guys. Have a good one.